Got Dustin to cover hobby with our final personal break of the night. Brian K is going for the Grand Slam tonight. He's picking 2 more boxes of 2014 Triple Threads football. Brian picks box 4 and box 6, so we'll take box 6 out. Boom. Box 4 out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get you out of there. Pull these out. Boom. 2 boxes. Here we go. I'll show you what we're working with. Good luck in this. That one felt heavy. I feel lucky about that other box. We'll do this one first. Hopefully they're both nice. I would love if you guys pull monsters in every box, because it doesn't benefit me if it's not anything good. It only helps me. You know what I mean? Box 1, mini box 1. Out of 199, Earl Thomas, Seattle. Out of 399, Tony Romo. Base cards, Mike Wallace, Kiko Alonso, Rob Gronkowski. First hit, Garoppolo out of 75. Yeah, Garoppolo's all over tonight. Jersey auto of Garoppolo, 52 of 75. Patriots. Look at that. Deion Sanders out of 27. Out of 27, Deion Sanders. Deion and Garoppolo. For Maybox 2. We haven't uploaded any of the tonight's breaks up there. We've been doing personal boxes. As soon as these are over, I'm going to upload everything. I can't upload while I'm breaking, or it really lags the breaks down. So we got Sue out of 99. Detroit out of 399. Des Bryant. We got base cards of Roddy White, Andre Johnson, and Brandon Marshall Bears. Speaking of Bears, Kadeem Carey out of 70. Triple jersey auto, 2-color patch in the middle for the Bears. Kadeem Carey. Triple patch auto for the Bears. Behind that, Aaron Murray out of 75, jersey card for the Chiefs. Aaron Murray. Next box. Box 2, mini box 1. I'm feeling lucky about this box. Out of 199, Larry Fitzgerald, Cardinals. Out of 399, AJ Green. And we got our base of Andy Dolan, Alfred Morris, and Rod Streeter. Then we got Terrence West out of 75, jersey auto Browns. Bring the fire! Here we go. We got CJ Spiller out of 18 for the Bills. 3 of 18 for the Bills. CJ Spiller. Last box, buddy. Good luck. Feeling lucky about this one, dude. I'm feeling really lucky. 16 of 50, Robert Quinn. Out of 399, CJ Spiller. We got base, Hopkins, Gino. We got a nice low number card coming up here. Keenan Allen, here we go. See, 9 out of 9 here. 9 out of 9. It's yellow, so it could be a Steeler, maybe? I don't know who else is yellow. Packers? Oh my. Stephen Ridley. Patch auto. A 9 of 9 for the Patriots. So New England stepping up with a 9 of 9. Then we got Mike Evans. There you go. Out of 75. Jersey card. Mike Evans. Out of 75. That Ridley's sweet looking. There's your 2 more boxes of 2014 Topps Triple Threads football for Brian K with us. Just a monstrous stack of cards here.